So my name is Steve Lapp. I lead the strategy and product direction for our observability platform, specifically Genios and ITRS analytics. My focus is on delivering monitoring solutions that integrate into complex environments, ensuring they scale and allowing users to customize their monitoring as well. Right, so what brought us here is our customers operate highly regulated industries where security, compliance drive the need for on-premise solutions. We've always supported on-prem deployments, but we needed to be more scalable and standardize the way that we package and distribute our software. We chose the replicated platform because ITRS analytics is completely microservice-based, which means we get all the great benefits that Kubernetes provides for a solution like ours, but we have customers in different parts of their application modernization journey. So we needed a delivery mindset that Replicated provides to help us deploy in any enterprise. The Replicated team was responsive, knowledgeable, and made it easy for us to get up and running with our first packages. And now, when we're at clients, we don't have to involve many other teams. The excellent customer support was another major factor in our decision. When we were evaluating solutions that were available in the market, we were already trying to build this ourselves. We had a lot of Helm files, but no UI to help make that easy to do these installations. We looked at an open source package, but it had limited support. Not only support for the software, but people support as well. So it was the combination of the installation UIs, air gap, embedded cluster, and the support teams. Building and maintaining a custom installer for our software that met security, compliance, and the operational needs of the enterprise would have been a massive time sink from our engineering and support teams. Replicated already had best practices in place, which let us focus on improving our core product instead of managing packaging and deployment. The main reason we decided to work with Replicated was the promise of standardization. Knowing that the same package we deploy in development and QA is the same package we deploy in our SaaS environment, and ultimately the same on customer sites, takes a lot of the compounding complexities out of different deployments. It promises to make all our teams, from engineering to support, more efficient. What we're most excited about is that we can deploy consistently across different customer environments. Not having to manage a custom installer for every situation, every cloud provider, it's helped us to scale our on-prem business without adding complexity. In addition to packaging standardization, we can now release faster as well. Before, we used to release major versions every 3 months. Now we release them weekly, and clients can choose which versions they want to upgrade to. Our on-prem business is actually thriving, but this packaging is going to help us to standardize the SaaS offering that we make available to clients as well. Self-hosted customers used to take days to get installed, and now we can do it in 30 minutes or less. As long as they've got all their prerequisites set up correctly, when we come on site, it's a quick meeting, it's a quick installation, and they're up and running. Our resolution for on-prem issues has dropped by 50%. Our support teams now can gather a lot of insights from the support bundle, as well as the insights that the vendor portal provides. The partnership with Replicated ensures ITRS analytics can be installed in any client's hybrid environment, and they get the benefits of real-time monitoring and the observability platform all in one place.